Right here, Doug.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead. Coming back, hold it.
What this means to me is an opportunity that's been long overdue to, go back to the work that I've started years ago, with a new material, but working in a consistent language, and it's just a lot of fun to take the uniqueness of forging and take my ideas and see how they work there. So it's great.
The goal is to make steel feel like a more soft and feminine material, and I'm playing around with that to try to create similar form than what I'm doing in wood and also in plaster.
The metal forging class has been just a wonderful opportunity for me to really re-engage myself in the creative process. He knows just when to make a comment, to demonstrate a technique, to guide, to critique.
The back corner?
Very unique course. Originally I started out, I wanted to make tools. So I went from making tools and quickly evolved into making art, into making sculptures. And it's been a wonderful transition for me. I've learned a lot about myself in the process. I'm having fun, and it's been great for my soul.